Hey, I hope you're doing well. This is going to be a nail tutorial video where I show you how to create these nails. Not these nails, the nails that were just up on the screen. And it's actually pretty easy. So I'll show you that in a second. Now, if you're new to my channel, I post a new video every Friday, and I do videos on fashion and nail tutorials. So if you're interested in any of that, consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you feel about it in the comments below. I'll love to hear what your thoughts are. Let's get into it.
The first thing you'll need is a base coat. I use this China Glaze Strong Adhesion one, but you can use whichever one works best for you. Now, you'll want to apply this base coat in a thin layer to every nail, and don't forget to also wrap the free edge of the nail, as this will actually make your manicure last much longer. When you're done, wait a few minutes for it to dry. Most base coats actually dry fairly quickly. And now you're ready for your nail color, which should be a light cream shade. I use this Color Club one, but again, anything you have will work. Particular manicure, paint that color over your nails in sort of uneven brush strokes. The more uneven it looks, the better it will actually look and the final result, so don't worry about making it look perfect. Wait for your first coat to dry for a few minutes, and then don't forget to paint a second coat, unless your nail color is very opaque, but usually you need at least two, because it just makes your nail color look a lot more true, and it doesn't leave any of these bald spots. And now you're ready for the fox decals. Easy! All you really have to do here is cut them out, or cut out whichever ones you plan on using. And this is really important, don't forget to remove the plastic film covering them, as if you do the next steps without doing this, it's probably going to ruin the decals. For this next step, you'll need a container with some water that should be big enough for you to be able to put your fingers into it. You'll need to put each decal in and hold it in there for about 30 seconds or so, then take it out and remove it from the paper backing with a gentle rubbing motion. The decal should now be attached to your finger instead, and all you have to do now is attach it to your nail, which you just do by placing your finger on that nail and possibly rubbing a little to get the decal to stick. You'll also want to get as much of the water from under the decal as you can, because that'll make the drying process much faster. And just do that with a gentle rubbing motion of the decal. But be careful not to dislodge it, because if it sticks together, it's almost impossible to make it lie flat again. I'm speaking from personal experience. Once your decals are completely dry, you don't want any water stuck under your top coat. You will be using top coat. I'm using this China Glaze one, but again, use whatever you have. And painting over each nail. Again, don't forget to wrap the free edge of the nail, otherwise it's just like you did with the base coat. And now we come to the fun part. The crystal part, for which you will need super glue, or rather nail-specific super glue, and your Swarovski crystals. Probably something peachy or orangey to match the foxes. All you really need to do to attach the crystals to your nail is put a small dollop of glue where you want the crystal to go, and gently place the crystal on that. You might want to hold it a little bit if your glue is more liquid, because you don't want the crystal to move around in your nail. It's going to be very hard to place it properly if it does. Repeat this for anywhere else you want your crystals to go, and you're done! I really hope that you liked this video, and that you found it useful, and that you saw that nail art doesn't actually have to be difficult, and it can be really easy and fun if you want to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!